Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Internet, and in today's video we're going to look on how to transfer crypto from MetaMask to your Bybit account. So the first step would be open up your MetaMask and click on send. Once you click on send, you'll get this page. Now you have to open your Bybit. Once you open your Bybit account, click on deposit here. Once you click on deposit, you need to choose the crypto that you want to deposit. You can choose it from here, or you can click on the drop down to get many options. For this video, I'm going to choose USDT. Once you select which coin you want to deposit, you need to select a network chain. Now MetaMask works on Ethereum mainnet, so make sure that you use ERC20 in Bybit as your network, as ERC20 is Ethereum's network. So choose that. I have not done my identity verification, so that's why I cannot move any further. But to continue in this process, you need to verify yourself and your identity. And once you've done that, you will get a wallet address of Bybit. You just have to copy the wallet address and paste it on MetaMask. Once you paste your wallet address here, you will get this screen and you will have to choose the amount of crypto you want to deposit. Now make sure the coin that you chose in Bybit, make sure it's the same crypto coin you are choosing in your MetaMask. I chose USDT, that's why I'm choosing USDT here too. Select the amount you want to transfer and simply click on next. And by this, you have successfully transferred your crypto from your MetaMask account to your Bybit account. I hope this video has helped you. Do like, share and subscribe to Easy Internet for more such videos. Thanks for watching.